What's up, YouTube? My name is Arya, and in the next couple minutes, I'm going to share with you guys what I know to be the best business model in 2026 if you're a beginner, if you don't have a lot of time, or you don't have tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars to your name. And so let me start with giving you guys my background. For the last 4 years, I have run 2 online businesses that have collectively generated $50 million in revenue. And the primary way we've built those businesses is by advertising. I've been the person in charge of spending over $15 million at this point on paid ads on different platforms like Facebook, Google, and TikTok. And that's how we've been able to build those big businesses. And before that, I have tried pretty much every business model in the book. When I dropped out of college, I tried drop shipping, I tried trading, I tried starting a marketing agency, I tried affiliate MLM style business models, and none of them really seemed to work for me because they were all just very short term. And the great thing about this business model is that it's actually in an emerging industry, meaning it's not something that's been around. It's actually something very new, but it's something that is very, very valuable and useful to business owners. And with the power of AI and how you can use it to run the business model, it can help you make a lot of money, and it'll be around for a very long time. Most businesses, like drop shipping, they last a couple months and then you stop making money and now you have to go do something else. So that's the reason why this business model is so great, is it's actually in an emerging industry that's very new and incredible upside. You have an opportunity not just to make a couple $1,000s a month, but you can make 10, 15, 20, even $30,000 a month working a couple hours from home doing very simple things. And so let me explain to you guys what this business model is. The best business model in 2026 is to become an AI advertiser. And all an AI advertiser is someone that makes advertisements for brands and businesses. Most businesses, guys, across the world, the way that they get customers is they advertise. They take images and videos and they spend money to show their brand to customers, on social platforms and on the internet. And that's the way that they get people to buy their products and services. And the way that I've made the bulk of my money in the past 4 years is I've essentially been an AI advertiser. I worked with 2 very big companies, made their advertisements for them, made good advertisements that they could put millions of dollars behind, and that's how they were able to generate, at this point, $50 million and counting. And so the common questions that I get about being an AI advertiser, most people will say, well, I don't have a marketing degree. I don't know anything about marketing or advertising. And my simple response to that is you don't need a $50,000 useless marketing degree to be an AI advertiser. You just need 2 simple skills. If you know how to read and you know how to write, then you can make an advertisement. Because those are the only 2 skills that you need to understand, okay, what does this business sell and who do they sell to? And then you use your skills to write an advertisement for that business to go out and run and get more customers. And that's how they make money. And so another common question I get is, Arya, why do you think this business model is the best to start in 2026 over anything else? And my simple response to that, guys, is this business model is the best because it's new and it has upside. Businesses, okay, all right. All right, guys, back to our scheduled programming. So the question I receive, the second most common question I get is, Arya, why do you think this is the best business model to start? And my response to that is, 1, you're selling to people that have money. Business owners, guys, make money and therefore they have lots of money to spend, especially on something like advertising. If there's one thing that business owners want to spend money on, it's things that make them more money. And that's things like helping them get more customers. That's the number one thing related to them making more money. So you as an AI advertiser, you are the most important person to a business, whether it's an online business or a local business, it doesn't matter. You are the most important thing to them because you're what helps them make more money. And so, one, business owners will pay you a lot of money for these services. And number two, they're not going anywhere. A lot of people, guys, are buying into the whole AI doom, that AI is going to take everyone's job and no one will make money anymore. And that's just not true. Don't buy into that nonsense. AI is only going to help people like you, AI marketers, make more money online because it helps you do your job faster and it helps you do your job better. And if you can do those two things, you can sell more and do more and make more money. And businesses, guys, again, are not going anywhere. People think that AI is going to kill businesses. So long as AI is not going out and starting a business and, collecting money from people, that's not going to happen. And that's not going to happen for the next couple years. Instead of focusing on crap like that may happen in the future, you got to focus on the problems of today. And today, there's an incredible opportunity to learn this simple skill without spending thousands of dollars going to college and getting a useless marketing degree, and making simple images and short videos that are 60 seconds long and selling them to business owners for $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 even. One of my students, actually, he made over $30,000 last month by simply negotiating a rev share deal with a business for the advertisements he made. And what that is basically you make advertisements and negotiate a deal with the business owner that, hey, if these ads generate you hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue, pay me a percentage of the revenue it generates. And so if an advertisement makes that business $100,000, you could make $5,000, $10,000, maybe even upwards of $15,000 because you negotiated that deal with them. And so a lot of you guys are probably curious at this point, like, okay, how do I learn more about AI advertising? How do I make these advertisements? How do I find the businesses that want these ads? How do I make money? Well, that's easy. For those of you guys that don't know, this is what I've been doing for the past 4 years. So if you're watching this video and you don't already follow me or you're not subscribed to the channel, feel free and click the subscribe button down below, because this is exclusively the content that I'm going to be posting going forward, is teaching you guys how to become AI marketers, how to actually post this content, how to create this content, and then how to sell it to businesses for a profit and make money. And if you guys also don't follow me on Instagram, shoot me a follow. I'm going to put the link in the description because I do post a lot of AI marketing game on that page as well, and I'm a lot more active on Instagram. So if you guys ever have any questions, feel free to shoot me a DM or let me know, and I'll happily respond. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video on what I believe the best business model is in 2026. And I'm going to be posting, like I said, a lot more on how to become an AI advertiser and how to sell these advertisements to businesses. So feel free, shoot me a subscribe down below. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.